Hi student, if you are planning for April 2024 attempt, then this is a quick video guiding for IFOA equipment check. So you must have received a mail guiding you for equipment check. So whether you are giving your exam for the first time or giving multiple exams, this is recommended for everyone. So all those who are giving exam for the first time, guys, just make sure that you are logged into your welcome account. You will be provided with your credentials. Just log in there. And all those who are giving their consecutive attempts, once you are logged in with your credentials, then there you will see the set of instructions. So once you approve your instructions, there is a download area and upload area. So just download the paper, just see whether you are able to download it properly or not. And for the upload section, make sure that you are uploading a Word document file. Just enter something in that Word document file and upload it, and your download and upload must be successful. This you have to do on the device in which you are planning to appear for the exam, and make sure that there are no pending updates in that particular device. So it is very recommended that you are following this equipment check on the device in which you want to give your exam. So all those students who have yet not performed their equipment check, guys, do perform it if you are planning for April 2024 exam. So in case you are facing any issues in your software or while logging, so that you have time to mail to IFOA, and accordingly updates would be provided. Thank you.